Here is a popular, easy recipe for no-bake chocolate-dipped coconut cream candies, similar to a Mounds or Almond Joy bar. Easy coconut cream candies. Recipe. This recipe is quick, uses minimal ingredients, and requires chilling time instead of baking. Ingredients: 1 to 2 cups sweetened shredded coconut, 1 to 3 cup sweetened condensed milk, about 5 to 6 Tbsp, 1 to 3 cup powdered sugar, Confectioners sugar, 3 tablespoons melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional, 1 to 2 cups chocolate melting wafers or chocolate chips, milk or dark, 1 teaspoon shortening or coconut oil, optional. Equipment you'll need: a large mixing bowl, a baking sheet lined with parchment or wax paper, a cookie scoop or spoon, a small microwave-safe bowl for melting chocolate. Combine the coconut base. In a large bowl, mix the melted butter, sweetened condensed milk, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract, if using, until well combined and smooth. Add coconut. Stir in the shredded coconut until the mixture is thick and sticky and all the coconut is coated. Shape and chill. Use a cookie scoop or your hands to form the mixture into small 1-inch balls, or shape them into little logs for a candy bar shape. Place the shaped candies on your prepared baking sheet. Firm up. Place the baking sheet in the freezer for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, or in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours until the candies are very firm. This makes them much easier to dip. Melt the chocolate. In a small microwave-safe bowl, melt your chocolate melting wafers, or chips, with the shortening coconut oil, if using, in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each one until the chocolate is smooth. Dip the candies. Using a fork or a dipping tool, dip each frozen coconut candy into the melted chocolate, turning to coat completely. Lift the candy and gently tap the fork on the side of the bowl to let the excess chocolate drip off. Set. Place the chocolate-coated candies back onto the parchment-lined sheet. If desired, immediately sprinkle with a little extra shredded coconut. Final chill. Refrigerate the candies for about 30 minutes to allow the chocolate coating to fully set. For a smoother filling. If you prefer a less stringy texture, you can pulse the shredded coconut a few times in a food processor before mixing in the other ingredients. Chocolate. Quality. Use high-quality chocolate melting wafers or bars for the best coating, as they melt smoother and set harder than regular chocolate chips. Adding a teaspoon of coconut oil or shortening helps achieve a nice, thin, snappy shell. Storage. Store the finished coconut cream candies in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Here is a popular, easy recipe for no-bake chocolate-dipped coconut cream candies, similar to a Mounds or Almond Joy bar.